Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds Philips. Firstly, you need to remove your earbuds from the charging case. Next, we need to remove them from the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device or forget device or unpair and forget device. Now, at the back side of each earbud, we have right here touch controls. You need to press and hold them for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, put your earbuds to the charging case. Then, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top. Not all Android phones have this button, maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or maybe you have the button refreshed, click this button, or maybe you need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Now remove your earbuds from the charging case, and your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. We should see them at the device list, and you need to tap at your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!